So problem 25 comes from section 7 of our pretest over relations. It asks us to express this relation, so the set of ordered pairs, as a table, a graph, and a mapping, and then we're going to determine the domain and range. So I'm going to start here on the left with my table, and I'm going to label them X and Y, and then I'm going to put my X values on the left hand side and my Y values on the right hand side. So it's going to be 4, 3, -1, 4, 3, -2, -2, 1. Then I'm going to plot those points, so I'm going to graph them. This is our X coordinate and our Y coordinate. So we're going to go to the right 4, up 3, -1, up 4, over 3, down 2, and to the left 2, up 1, because it's -2. So this way is negative, this way is positive, this way is positive, this way is negative. Then we have our mapping. So I'm going to list my X values on the left hand side. 4, -1, 3, -2. And then I have an output of 3, 4, -2, 1. Now remember, on the mapping, you do not list doubles. And then I'm going to draw my arrows connecting my ordered pairs, or my inputs to my outputs. And then lastly, it asks us about the domain and our range. So we put the brackets around the domain and the range, and we're going to start with the domain, and that is our X values. So those are these values over here. We're going to list those in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with -2, then I have -1, 3, 4, close it with the fancy bracket. Same thing for the range. I have -2, 1, 3, 4, close it with the fancy bracket, and that's all there is to it.